Have you ever wondered how to grow and nurture hardy succulents? These resilient and versatile plants captivate both novice and experienced gardeners with their unique charm. From their durability to their aesthetic appeal, they truly are a marvel. Today, we'll unravel the mystery of growing these durable plants. First off, what exactly are hardy succulents? Well, these are resilient, drought-tolerant plants with fleshy, water-retaining leaves or stems. They're a fantastic choice for your garden or home thanks to their unique aesthetics and low-maintenance nature. Now that we know what hardy succulents are, let's delve into how to grow them. Growing hardy succulents is a simple process that anyone can master. Let's walk through the steps together. First, choose the right type of succulent for your environment. Hardy succulents are a diverse group, with some preferring bright sunlight and others content in the shade. Next, select the correct soil mix. A well-draining soil is paramount. Consider a mix of half-potting soil and half-coarse sand. This ensures your succulent doesn't sit in water, which can lead to root rot. Now, it's time to plant. Make a small hole in your soil, place your succulent, and gently cover the roots. Remember, the lower leaves should sit above the soil line. Watering is the final step. Wait for the soil to completely dry out between watering. Then, soak the soil thoroughly. Overwatering is a common mistake, so be patient and attentive. With these steps, your hardy succulents will thrive in no time. Once you've planted your succulents, how do you make sure they stay healthy and happy? Keep them basking in bright, indirect light, water sparingly but deeply, and tackle pests and diseases promptly. By following these nurturing tips, your succulents will not only survive, but they will also flourish. Growing and nurturing hardy succulents doesn't have to be a daunting task. Remember, with the right steps and care, these resilient plants can become a vibrant part of your space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.